Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into exactly how North Dakota WIC participants can completely eliminate checkout anxiety and easily manage their benefits on the go. But first, think about this. Did you know you could check your WIC balance in literally just seconds, right on your smartphone? Yeah, it's an absolute game changer that saves you so much time and stress at the register. No more holding up the line, and definitely no more second guessing what you can actually buy. So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to look at why tracking is so essential, meet the mobile apps at your disposal, walk step by step through setting up EBTE Judge, go over shopping and troubleshooting, and then wrap it all up. Let's get right into it. Part 1. Why track WIC benefits? Avoiding the checkout surprise. Let's establish exactly why keeping a close eye on your balance is basically a superpower for your grocery trips. WIC is just a fantastic program. It's crucial for the growth and development of pregnant and breastfeeding women, infants, and kids under 5. But here's the thing. Unlike standard SNAP benefits that act kind of like a cash debit card, WIC allocations are highly specific. They are what we call non-fungible unit-based items. That means you are allocated exact foods and volumes. Think, exactly 36 ounces of cereal or very specific jars of baby food. And most importantly, unused benefits do not roll over to the next month. If you don't use them, you lose them. So real-time monitoring is absolutely vital to maximize your benefits and avoid those awkward transaction failures at the checkout line. Part 2. Meet your WIC apps, your mobile tool belt. Let's take a look at the complete digital support system you've got waiting for you. As a North Dakota user, you actually have a few different apps at your fingertips, and each one handles a specific piece of the puzzle. First up is EBT Edge. This is your go-to for universal state EBT card management. It syncs right with the state database and even lets you lock your card if you lose it. Then there's WIC Shopper. You're going to love this one in the store because it has a barcode scanner to check products against the approved food list. We've also got My WIC Mosaic for the administrative stuff, think appointment scheduling and uploading documents. And finally, Propel, which is great if you need to manage multiple different benefit portfolios in one place. They're all designed to make your life a whole lot easier. Part 3. Setting up the EBT Edge app step by step. Getting your main card management app up and running is seriously so simple. First things first, you'll need to grab the official EBT Edge app on your iOS or Android device. Once it's downloaded and you open it up, just go ahead and tap Register here on that main login screen to kick off the whole process. It's super straightforward. You just search for EBT Edge in the Apple App Store or Google Play. Just make sure you spot that official FIS logo and hit download to get it onto your smartphone. All right, so once you're in and you've tapped Register here, you'll be prompted to fill out your basic profile details. You know the drill. First name, last name, email address, phone number, and then you'll just create a unique user ID and a secure password. After your digital profile is set up, it's time to link your actual physical WIC card to the app and add a little extra security. You'll set up some personalized challenge questions, tap Add Account, and then plug in your 16-digit eWIC card number, your birth date, and your zip code. Setting up those personalized challenge questions is super important. It just adds a solid extra layer of identity verification. Once that's done, punching in your physical card number, date of birth, and zip code securely links everything together behind the scenes. Finally, you'll secure the card with a PIN. And just like that, you instantly unlock access to your real-time nutritional balance. Literally just 2 quick steps left to go. You can easily update or set your PIN directly in the app. And once that's saved, boom, it brings you right to your account summary. I like to call this the holy grail for your shopping trip. It tells you exactly how many ounces of breakfast cereal, whole grains, or dollars for produce you have left before the month ends. Having this real-time info is incredibly powerful for planning out your grocery list before you even leave the house. Part 4. Checking balances and shopping. The WIC Shopper Advantage. Because let's be real, sometimes you're standing right there in the cereal aisle, staring at a new brand, wondering if it's actually covered. That is exactly where the WIC Shopper app steps in. So when you use the barcode scanner in the WIC Shopper app, you're going to see a few specific responses. If it scans as allowed, awesome. It matches the North Dakota approved food list. But just a heads up, you still need to double check that your active balance actually includes that specific category for the current month. Now, if it scans as not a WIC item, it's not approved. Though, if you really think it should be, you can actually tap I couldn't buy this right in the app to submit it for review. And if the app tells you it's unable to identify, honestly, that usually just means you have a bad internet connection. Just connect to the store's Wi-Fi and give it another scan. And hey, We all know technology isn't flawless, right? Sometimes our phone batteries just die at the worst possible moment. If you don't have your smartphone handy, don't panic. Looking at a printed store receipt from your last trip or just asking the cashier to run a terminal balance inquiry are incredibly reliable backup ways to check your remaining quantities and expiration dates. Part 5. Troubleshooting and Best Practices. Maximizing your benefits. Let's cover a few essential tips to make sure you're using your benefits smoothly without any annoying hiccups. Okay, first tip. If you ever delete your user profile in the app, you actually have to wait a full 24 hours before you can re-register with that same user ID. Now, if you just delete the app off your phone, it only removes your login credentials. Your actual transaction ledger, totally secure in the state database, so don't worry about losing your benefits. As for your physical card, treat it like a credit card. Keep it out of direct sunlight, like don't leave it on a hot car dashboard, and keep it away from magnets, cell phones, and microwaves so you don't fry the magnetic strip. And this goes without saying, but never ever write your PIN directly on your card or keep it on a sticky note in your wallet. Oh, and a huge best practice, set a weekly reminder on your phone to check your balance, and always build your shopping list based on the precise units you have left. Part 6. Summary and Official Disclaimer. Wrapping up. Let's quickly tie a bow on everything we've learned today so you can hit the grocery store with total confidence. By tapping into mobile tools like the EBT Edge app, you can track those specific, non-fungible allocations and completely eliminate checkout surprises. You are literally taking the guesswork out of the grocery aisles. This makes absolutely sure that your family gets the full, maximized nutritional value out of your benefits every single month. Quick note before we finish up, the information in this explainer is accurate as of its creation date, August 23, 2026. Since these programs can change and evolve over time, you should always double-check with your local WIC office or official state websites for the most up-to-date info. So, are you ready to skip the checkout line stress and take full control of your shopping experience by downloading the app today? It really makes you wonder, as tools like this become more advanced, how else might technology step in to modernize and simplify other essential nutritional programs in the future? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy shopping.